about how my boyfriend Billy Guy was buying me a camera for my birthday, right? It was a disposable camera. Disposable cameras are quite possibly the best cameras you can own, right? Right. So, my sister Michelle over here called me and said she got me a digital camera. What in the hell is a digital camera? I don't know what a digital camera is.
I didn't actually buy it. I jacked that shit. What do you think?
So I'm sitting in my trailer. I'm sitting in my trailer, right? And I'm thinking to myself while I'm smoking some of my weed. I'm thinking to myself, I wonder what's this coming with this digital camera. And someone's knocking on my door, and I think it's her, and I open the door with the roach in my mouth, or whatever you call that shit, back over in Compton. And I realized...
She said Compton.
Oh, hell no. This is going to be going down. No, she's going to be like her friend Shaniqua yesterday when she was like, boom, 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 boom. All up on the floor. All I saw was puddle, and then I ran. Because, you know, I don't want boom, boom, bomb in my body. I don't think so.
And I realized that it's not my sister, it's the cop. So I tried to flush the weed down the toilet, and I realized that it don't go in the tube, it goes in the bottom of my trailer. So the cops, all they had to do was look through my shit and piss.